like butter, you know, like I've got a whole lot of butter in my hair. So I do love this product. The expertly crafted formulas include a rich botanical blend of divine coconut milk and aloe vera. Sounds yum, guys. It detangles 4 times faster with less breakage and damage, which is perfect because if you're trying to grow your hair, you know, you want to prevent as much breakage as possible. My curls are popping! Hello! Oh, guys. Oh! I love curls. But now I need to go and shower and see if that... No, I have curls like this. Hi, guys. It's very oily, I won't lie to you. Reminds me of like back in the day when we used to use Dark and Lovely hair food and, you know, all those products. That like petroleum jelly type feel. But all in all, like my hair is so easy to comb through, which is such a wonderful thing. Or keep over at a friend's house, you know, when you have like this whole oil stain on a pillow, or when you're at the gym and you're doing like anything that involves you laying on your back, then there's like a oil stain on the mat, you know, like I don't like that. So I feel like the hair is a bit greasy, but I mean, you can see my hair is very moisturized because you can see like the little bit of curl definition happening here, and I think that's really good for us girls with afros. Okay, so my final thoughts on it is very oily. If you need that extra like oil moisturization situation, then I would recommend the hair. But all in all, I love the pre-wash. Super amazing. Definitely going to include this into my hair care regime. But the hair food, you know, like I don't know how I feel about it because yes, it does give you that ultimate moisturization, but it is very oily. Yeah. Thanks for watching.